Are you looking to make money online? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money using Forex signals. Forex signals. Now, most of us have been thinking like, how can I make money without having the knowledge of trading Forex? But what most of us don't know is that you don't necessarily need the knowledge to make money on the Forex market. You can just use your phone and take signals from professionals or people that have the skill and you still earn money. Now, in today's video, I'm going to break down how you can earn and the steps and processes you're going to take on how you can get started to earn money through Forex signals. Are you a student or a business person or whatever profession you're in, you can still make money on the Forex market even without having the knowledge. You can still go for the knowledge, but without the knowledge, you can still earn money off the Forex market. So in today's video, I'm going to break down the details of how you can earn money of the Forex market using Forex signals. And I'm going to explain to you what Forex signals means and everything you're supposed to know with screenshots and proofs in thorough detail. So make sure you stay to the end of this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, guys, I want to show you how you can earn money via Forex without having the knowledge. You can still earn money from the Forex market. I get me. So all you have to do here is simple. You take signals from professionals. Now, most of you will be asking, what are Forex signals? Forex signals simply means you take instruction from a professional Forex trader, someone that has the knowledge. He will tell you when to buy or sell a certain currency. Are you getting me? Or cryptocurrency. Now, let me give you an example here. Simply, let me give you an example here. First of all, to explain what I mean by that. Now, if you come here, for example, like I want to show you guys an example. Now, if you come here, if you come to this, okay. So so if you come here now, for example, now guys, are you seeing this? Now, this forex trader here is a professional forex trader. He said buy SAUSD. SAUSD simply means gold. That's gold. The normal gold metal we have the mineral called the metal called gold. So gold is called SAUUSD on the forex market. Now this forex trader now said buy gold. Now I get me. He said buy gold. I get me. Now this is what we call a signal. He's telling you when to buy or when to sell. I get me. So this is what we call is forex signal. I get me. All you have to do is to take the instruction from what he's telling you here and go to the forex trading app and do and buy as he has said. I get me. Now, when we come to forex signals, we have paid forex signals and we have free forex signals. Now, like this trader here, this is a free forex signal he gave. I get me. He has a paid forex signals as you can see here. If you look here, you can see this is a paid one. Look at private channel, so we are not allowed to enter it. So you have to pay money before you get into his private channel. Those are where you can get unlimited signals. I get unlimited signal. Whenever he wants to buy or sell a certain thing, he will post it there for you to buy. But most times they give free. But they often give free signals on their free channels, like mostly on Telegram. They do that mostly on Telegram. So that's what we call forex signal. Simply means when a forex professional tells you when to buy or sell a certain instrument or a currency or a cryptocurrency. Now, I want to break down how you can do that, how you can take signals and still be profitable. Now, one thing you must know is that the forex market is a very risky market. Your capital is at risk. I get to me. It's not a risk-free market, so you have to be very, very, very careful here. And when you're doing this, you have to put in money that even if you lose it, you will not feel it. I get me. So you have to put in money here that if you lose the money here, you will not really, really feel it. So now, if now let's take this signal I give here for example. Like he said, yeah, buy gold. I get me. He said buy gold here. So all you have to do is you go to this app here. Okay, yeah, this is the app here. You're going to go to this app, MetaTrader 5. This is where you can now buy. Let's say gold, for example. You come here, you search SAU as we saw on the other side, USD. This is it here. Gold versus US dollar. So you come here, then you click on it, then you can now either, if you look here, you can see where you can buy or sell. You can buy or sell. I get me. Now, when you're trading, when you're taking signals here as a beginner, one thing you must know is, like I said before, it's a very risky market. So you must put in money that you are willing and that if you lose it, you will not feel it. I get me. Don't put in your money that is very valuable. You want it for something very important. Don't put it here. It is very, very risky. I get me. So you should be very, very careful and put in money that if you lose it, you will not be able to feel it. I get me. So this is how you can earn money via the forex market. In subsequent videos, I'm going to break this down in thorough details about the processes you should take. Like I said before, doing this is very, very risky. So if you put in money you are willing, or if you lose it, you will not be able to feel it. So that's it, guys. This is how you can earn money from the forex market. And you should, if you want to get reputable signals, you should go to Twitter. You can go to Twitter or Telegram. You can search for verified or professional traders that give signals on YouTube. You can search them on YouTube. Then you can go to the Telegram channel and verify. And you will check the number of win rate. If you want to know the good ones, check the number of times they are winning and the number of times they are losing. If you notice they win a lot than they lose a lot, then you can stick with that trader and make sure you risk you should risk little, you risk and protect your capital. So that's it, guys. In my subsequent videos, I'm going to break this down in thorough details. So peace out.